What's up, everybody? You YouTubers, we are doing some more backtesting. Yep, that's what we're doing, live backtesting. Okay, so what we have been doing, and if you've watched any of my other live streams, this is what we've been backtesting. So we're essentially going to be backtesting the same strategy we have been, just at a different time and different time periods on the charts. So in a nutshell, we've been backtesting this strategy using gold, XAU, USD in the morning between 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Mountain Time, 10 lots per trade, and we have generated 100 random days to backtest, and after the 100 days we ended up profiting almost $120,000 after 100 trading days. So that's pretty good. And so I thought, well, what if we could do a little bit better and trade in the evening? So there's larger spreads in the evening, and that's the main reason why I changed the time frame, the charts, time frames on the charts that we use on this one, which is a 5 minute and a 1 minute, to a 1 hour and a 5 minute. In fact, I need to edit that. That needs to say 5 minutes. There we go. All right. So as of yet, after 14 trading days, we have increased almost $5,000. We peaked at 13,600, and we have drawn it down a good amount. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Definitely getting a lot more volatile results than we did with the morning. So let's just get some more data and see what we can make of it. All right, so I'm just already on the first day. Got my 1 hour, 5 minute chart. So basically, the strategy is if and we're going from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Taking all the trades within that time frame, Mountain Time. Basically, we take a trade whenever our orange and big blue are facing the same direction, and the dotted blue is facing the opposite direction. These are TNT indicators. So that's how we enter, and then we use our 5 minute chart to decide when we want to get out, and I'll get into that once we're in a trade. But first thing, we are getting a sell. So we'll go ahead and sell. Oh, help if I adjusted my stop loss and take profit. Fixed stop loss, no take profit, set take profit. 500 points is our stop, so lots of room to move. And our maximum loss, assuming that we're trading 10 lots, is $5,000. This is assuming we're trading about a $10,000 account. That's kind of what we're assuming here. Okay. So if we're in profit, we close the trade when it closes. If we're selling, if it closes above the body of the previous candle. If we're rolling a negative P&L for the trade, then we keep the trade running until our orange and our dotted blue are opposite from when we started the trade. Otherwise, we keep it rolling. Also, if the thick blue switches during the middle of the trade while we are not in profit, we will close it if it happens to go back into profit just at the close of that bar. That candle. So this will make more sense as we go along. So we'll just, okay, there we go. So we're getting some good movement. All right. Oh. How come that isn't the correct lot size? Dang it. Hold on, I need to do that one over again because it only did it as one lot size for some reason. Yeah, I should refresh it. Okay, so again, taking a sell. This one looked like it was going our way pretty good until, right here? Yeah, so we were up 1,700 and then we lost 5,000. All right, well, that's just how it be sometimes. Okay, we're getting a buy signal now. Okay. All right, so we're in profit. We're going to close because our candle closed below the body of the previous candle. Clawing back a little bit of money there. Our indicators are still saying it wants to go up, so we'll buy. Actually, let's see here. Okay. All right, so our thick blue switch, so we will close the trade if we happen to get back into profit, which is right here. You know what? I think I actually... Okay, yep, right here. Close that out. And we're actually getting a signal to sell immediately, so... Let's see if we can pick some up on the downside. Now the idea is that we're going to pick up big movements in the market by trading this way, and that's kind of what we're going for. And it looks like we're not getting big movements. Oh, let's see, when did I take that trade? 902, okay. Okay, our right here. Okay, so our orange and the blue, dotted blue switch, so we're going to close that one out. Okay, so that day was a loss. Let me just record my results over here. 2 wins, 2 losses, minus 52.60. And we are officially at a negative P&L, negative 320. So basically breaking even after, what, 10 trading days or so? Well, a few more. Next day is 5:30 of 23. Okay, first thing, we're getting a sell. Oh man, it just doesn't want to. Okay, and immediately we are getting closed out here, but it's telling us to take a buy. So close. Oof! Really? For real? Gosh. Okay. Come on, I want a good trade. We haven't had any really big movers. It's quite okay. Close that out for a profit. Still getting indications for an upward movement, so we'll hop back in. Of course, it goes down. Big time. Probably gonna get closed out. Yep. Another $5,000 max loss. And we're getting the signal to sell right there. Actually, we're not because... Oh yeah, we are. Never mind. I lied. Alright, let's close it out here. Go for more. Goodness. You know, I don't think this is working out so great. But if that's what our results tell us, then we know. We don't have to wonder anymore. It is telling us to close it out right here. Okay, let's wait for the next signal to hop in. Right here, telling us to buy. Just kidding. It's past 10 o'clock. So, wow. Alright. That day sucked. 2 and 3. Minus 760. So now we're running a P&L of negative 79.80. 11.16.22 is next. Alright, that's a buy to start. Oh, man, I just want to get a good mover. I'm actually surprised we haven't gotten any good ones yet. This back testing session is just, oof, full of sadness. Wonder... Wonder what it would be like if we used a half-hour chart instead of the hour, because I feel like these losing trades tend to run a little bit too long. Now let's just look for the next trade. I'm trying to think of what we could add to a longer time frame. I could make this a little better. Alright, so just that one trade that day, one big ol' loss. So now we are, I mean, it could just be that we just do this trade plan and then take the trade opposite of whatever it says if it ends up being so bad. There's a thought. So now we're at negative 12,980. 12,980, so basically 13,114 of 20. Yeah, I just don't feel like... I mean, yeah, we'll do this day, and then I'll kind of let you know what my thoughts are of our results so far. I don't even know if it's worth continuing trading this or backtesting it when we could be backtesting something that could be working better. Starting out with a buy. Oh gosh. Come on, just give me a really good trade. Okay, we are actually getting a signal to sell right here, so getting out of our buy and selling. Man, I don't think we've had a trade worth more than 2 turtle poops. Jeez. Yeah, I'm not loving this. Not loving it. I think we need to try something a little different. I have an idea of what we could do. Let's just finish this day. Okay, getting a buy now. Oh my gosh. Hey, there we go. Alright, we're closing out for 380. Okay, I'm actually getting a sell signal here. Yeah, I mean, maybe we just... Okay. Except we shouldn't have taken that trade because it was past 10. It wouldn't have mattered anyway. Okay. I'll just close that out. This isn't working. And I'm glad we found that out earlier rather than later. So even this day aside... heck, I mean, that was about a $7,000 loss, give or take. So minus 1980. I mean, it's not really, it'd be worth maybe finishing this just to see if it's, I mean, maybe take the trade in the opposite direction. But here's the issue I'm having. So we had pretty good success the first few days. We got up to 13,450. And then from there, we drew it down to almost, well, hang on. Yeah, almost $20,000. There we go. So, yeah, if you're gonna have a streak of losing over $30,000 over the course of under a month, probably, I mean, that's 30%. You definitely don't want to be running a trade strategy that's so volatile that it's possible to draw your account down 30%. So I'm going to call this one a no-go. What could we... Well, I don't necessarily want to give up on this just quite yet, though, is the thing. let's do the same thing, except we're actually going to take in consideration what our pressure indicator is doing, which I honestly should do anyway, even in situations where this works. Okay, so heck, maybe I could just do it based off of only the pressure. And if you're watching this, I'm just thinking out loud. Kind of wasn't expecting this, so we're just kind of doing this on the fly. Alright, close those out. Okay. I think I know what I want to do. So we are going to only use the pressure indicator. Just don't know if that's going to give us enough opportunities, though. Yeah, it is a 1 hour chart. I mean, what time frame? Let's go a 30-minute chart. And a 2-minute chart. This will be interesting. I've honestly never used a 2-minute chart before, so be interesting to see how that goes. Okay, so let's only use the thin orange TNT line. And let's, you know what? I'm trying to decide which indicators. Just. So the blues are very useful in. So the thick blue is good to let us know when maybe to get out of a trade. A thick blue, you know what, let's just go with the thin orange and the pressure. And then same strategy on our smaller time frame. Alright, so let's go back to our first day to test. 12 of 2023. And then again between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. Mountain Time. Same thing here, same 10 lots. We're going to keep all that consistent. Okay, so I think what we're going to do is we will take trades only when... So we'll only sell when red is on top and both pressure lines are pointing down. And then we'll exit if that changes. And then same exit strategy on our smaller chart. So, yep, we're taking a sell. Very start. And then the opposite if buy. Green on top, both lines pointing up. So, what? Okay, hold on. Some of these days are weird. For some reason, it doesn't take me... Close this trade out. It doesn't take me where I want it to initially, so I have to go there. Okay, here we go. Okay, so green's on top. They're both pointing down right now. And again, I'm just looking at this. I feel like I could... I feel like I could move a half hour at a time here. Okay, so it does go up during that half hour right here. Okay, they're both up. Boom. same strategy as far as getting out. Okay, so we get out here. Boop. That's promising so far. And it's still pointing up. Oops. So I need to get back in. Okay, close that. Go for more. I think what we'll do is we'll close the trade if the thin orange goes against us as well, or if either one of these starts telling us, you know, that we're not good to be in a buy position anymore. In fact, it might be. Well, I don't know. Just keep going. Okay, close that out. Go for more. Ooh, you know what? We could look at incorporating the value of the thin orange here. So this goes between 0 and 10, and you can consider it oversold if it's over 9. Or sorry, overbought if it's over 9, and oversold if it's under 1. So maybe we look at not taking trades if it's above 9 or below 0. At least in those respective directions. Oh, man. I almost like the idea of... let's see, the half hour just seems a little too slow for this. Okay, so officially it's telling me to hop out right here, and that's just because it's switched. It just seems a little slow. I'm trying to think of what we can do. Should I use a 15-minute? I don't think so. What could I do here? Maybe I could. Let's go see. Maybe I can incorporate the echo. Thoughts. I don't know. Let's just do this for a few days and see how it goes. We're going to be clicking. Okay, so do have a cross now with red on top, and that is the day right there. So good day. It was better, but it's a good day. 2560, 421 and 23. Okay, nothing to start, but red is on top. If it goes down a little more. Okay. There it is. Okay, that was good. Lock it up, go for more. Okay. Get out there. I guess I should have technically... Hold on, I should have gotten out of that one earlier. Wasn't paying attention to the pressure. Okay, so I sold, went for more. Okay. Now I need to keep an eye. Okay, right here, no longer pushing down, so I can close that one out earlier. Okay. Okay, that is a sell right there. However, orange did shoot up. right there, so I'm just going to close that out. Ah, that's nasty. Just, I don't know, man. What big... I don't honestly have a lot of experience trying to trade with a... I guess these a little bit longer time frames. Usually looking at a 5 minute and a 1 minute. Oh, let's see. There's a cell right there. Okay, and there's a signal to get out there. Okay, I'm not going to be getting other opportunities, so that one's a losing day. I don't know, I feel like I need to be getting a little bit better return. Well, only done 2 days. 2 and 2 minus 1890. I feel like if I'm going to be trading for an extra 5 hours in the evening, I need to have a pretty solid strategy that's going to yield more than, I don't know, 1%. Alright, we'll try one more day, feel it out. It just doesn't feel good yet. Not be getting a signal here anytime soon, so we can just skip half hour at a time. Alright, so somewhere in there we got the switch right here. Okay, close that out. Okay, that's a good one. Go for more here. Okay, there we go. Right, close that out there. So these are the kind of trades I'm looking for. Oh! Except I'm in the AM. Well, hey, maybe I should try this sort of time frame in the morning, see how it goes compares to the one I've been doing. Because I have just been using the 5 minute and 1 minute. Well, in any case, let's get to the correct time. Silly. Okay. Alright, getting a buy first thing. Okay, we close out here. Go for more. There we go. Okay, close that out. Go for more. Yikes. Whew. I think if I'm in profit and orange is still up and if red crosses, I'm going to stay in. Just get out the normal way. Darn. Oh, should I do that? I don't know. Okay, well, just... You know what? No, we'll close it. We're gonna make that rule right now. So right here. Okay, and then we probably have a good while before, yeah. So 3 trades, all winners. Okay, it's promising. So 2,300 total profit after 3 days. 1, 2, 20. Okay, maybe. Jeez, it took a while to load. Okay. Okay, so green is technically on top now. However, I haven't been paying attention to this. I think we're gonna make a rule where we can't be above 9 or below 1. Although I should have. So much movement. Okay, no. Okay, no trades. Seven, 8, 21 is next. Okay, it's gonna be trade in here, right there. Okay, close that out, go for more. There we go. Close that out, go for more. Ooh. Okay, right here, orange is up, so we pull out here. And we're getting so right here we're getting a buy. Okay, hold on. We did get a switch though. Oh, I can't remember what I said I was going to do if there was a cross. It is in the loss right now, so I will keep it going until the orange flips as well. Okay, green's on top again. Okay, close that out. Go for more. Okay, we did get this switching here. I feel like I need to have another TNT line. I do feel that. Oh, which one? I don't want to do this. Because we're adding another TNT line with hard rules. We're going to get less trade opportunities. So I think if we do that, we need to adjust our rules with the pressure So let's just say I need 2 out of 3 points on the pressure to hop in the trade if my TNT lines are saying that we should get in. I think that's what I want to do. All right, well let's try that out. All right, back to day 1. That's interesting. Okay, 5. Oh, no wonder. 12. Wrong day. We're profitable like that, but okay. So now we're basically just taking the signal off of the. Okay, I like this. I like this. So we're taking the signal off of the TNT lines, but our pressure has to agree generally. Okay, so right here, TNT lines are good. I do not have the pressure. Okay, so now I do though. So right here, okay, but blue is up now, so we don't want to go into that until that switches. Okay, still pressure's not agreeing. Pressure, is it now? This is where I need to get real close on. Okay. Okay, when did it still looks see, it just adds a little bit more nuance. Yeah, I'm going to simplify it just a little bit. So let's go back, just make sure I didn't miss anything. We're just going to go whichever color's on top with the pressure. Simple as that. That's about as easy as the pressure indicator gets. If red's on top, we're looking to sell. If green's on top, we're looking to buy. Waiting for our orange to flip here, so we need some good upward movement to do that. Here it is right here. Nice. Okay, we're gonna go for more. Okay. Go for more. Nice. Go for more. Okay. This is where rules could get a little bit tricky. When our blue switches, especially when we're not in profit. What do we do? Probably just set adjust our stop to an area that just kind of makes sense. Let's see if I put 1 there. Yeah. So right there, I think, is appropriate. Okay, so that gives us room to move up, but it's also going to minimize damage if it starts going down. Alright, glad we did that. So this sounds like a pretty solid plan so far. Alright, let's jump ahead. The blue doesn't really move a lot until the post. I'll make backtesting quicker too. Okay, so good day. So 3 and 1, 090. And alright, I'm liking the rules we have. This has been the best feeling one so far, so let's see how that goes. Okay, so next randomly generated data backtest is this one. Alright, so again, our rules, we're looking for buys when green is on top and our pressure, and sells when our red is on top, and orange and blue have to agree. Orange is directional, blue is inverse. Okay. And why is this starting? I need to be starting at 5 o'clock. I don't know why it's not. Anyway. Okay, so right now we're looking for a sell. So red's on top. I actually have right here. So orange down, blue up, red's on top. Boom. Okay, close this out right here since we close above the body of the previous candle. And go for more. Okay, same thing, close that out, go for more. Here we go. Okay, lock it up, go for, yep, go for more. Okay, close it out. Both of our TNT lines are now disagreeing. Dang, we're down now? That stinks. Okay, and looking for the next sell opportunity. That's definitely not it. Wait, actually. It could be one. No. And blue's not gonna. Okay. Okay, so that's the day. So we ended up losing there. Minus 600. And now we are at 44.90 total after 2 days. Next day is 10/17 of 2023. Okay, red's on top. TNT's agreed, take a sell. Okay, close out right there. Go for more. Ooh, green is on top. Ah, what were my rules? What were my rules? See, I need to write them down. What did we decide to do when it crossed? I haven't made any definitive. Yeah, I mean, either way, we're closing that one out since nothing's really going. Yeah, orange is up. I mean, it does. Man, I don't know. How would we want to handle that? Probably close it out in any case, just because the orange is pointing up now. Okay, red is back on top, but our blue's not facing the right way. It was on top. Ooh, you know what? Go back. Why isn't it going back? Okay, apparently, there we go. Okay, so right here, green's on top, or TNTs are green, so we can actually take a buy here. Okay, close that out. Go for more. See, oh, what do I do when it crosses and I'm not in profit? I will do whatever orange does. That is the executive decision. Okay, close that out. All right. We're waiting for orange to point down. Oh, look at all that movement, though. Oh, hang on. Green went back on top. Right here. So we do get some of that. Okay, close it out. Oh, come on. Go back faster. Jeez. Close it out there. Okay. I'm actually technically going to go for more here. Awesome. Close that out. And it wants to go for more even. There we go. Okay. $10,000 day. Won't complain about that. No, sir. Well, let's not lose it all. Okay, hold on. We got to sell here. Right here. So cross. Officially. Orange down, blue up. That's a sell. Okay, close that out. Go for more. Alright, alright. Close that out. Go for more. Okay, close that out. Go for more. Oh, I didn't close it out. There we go. And we're just going for more just because our indicators are still saying it's probably going to keep going down. So we'll keep going for more until it tells us otherwise, which is right here. All right. Okay, now our blue's just facing the absolute wrong way, so. And we're past the time to trade anyway. So, all right, well, that was a really good day. So, 9 wins, 2 losses. A positive day of 11,600. Sweet. So that brings us to a total of 16,090 after 3 trading days. And we're kind of loosely basing this off of a $100,000 account, so 16% in 3 days. Let's see if that's not a fluke and if we can continue increasing our profit curve. Oops. 01, 02, 2020 is the next day. Woo wee. Oh. Why is this taking so long to load? Why does it do this? 17? Yeah, that's the right time. Okay. Okay. Looking for, okay, right here, possible buy, since at some point, right here, right there, there's a cross. Our blue's not facing the right way, though. Ah, right when that happens, our blue faces the other way. Oh, really? Am I just... Okay, so right here, everything lines up for a second. So, orange up, blue down, green on top here. We'll hop in, see if we can catch something. Nice, got a little bit. Just close that out since it closed below the body of the previous candle. That's how we're getting out in this strategy. We are good to take another buy right here since our orange is now up again. Take that. Oh, man. I think I decided earlier that we were going to close a trade if orange went against us. Like just a hard rule. So we just close that out. I should probably write this down. Okay, take a trade down, orange down, blue up, red on top. Oh, don't want to take two trades though, just one. And orange is now against us. Okay, I need orange to point down. There it is. Ah, except blue's pointing down too now. Which could save us from disaster. I mean, we are kind of looking like we're going to bounce off pressure there, so. And, yeah, blue's not going to get us anything. Okay. So, losing day. So, minus... 2 losses, minus 30, 40 for total P&L after 4 days of 13,015 and 50 rather. Next day is 7, 8 of 21. Whoo. Oh, la, la, la. Okay, our blue. Okay, got a sell signal right here. Gross. Okay. What did I... Oh, geez, what did I decide when there was a cross? Business as usual. If we're in money, which we're not, are we? No. Hold on, I think in any case. Yeah, it took a sell here, okay. So I need to get out right here anyway because orange pointed up and we had hard rules with our thin orange line. So we close that out. Okay, and then we're looking for a sell opportunity since red is on top in our pressure. Alright, our blue's not quite facing the right way yet. There it goes. Alright, everything's lined up now, so we'll go ahead and hop in for a sell. Okay, close that out since we closed above the body of the previous candle. And we're going to go for more. I like the way the pressure looks here. We could be going for some big movements here, possibly. Oh. Or we'll go for big movements in the opposite direction. Okay, hang on. Right here. thin orange facing them the wrong way. Alright, now we're waiting for orange to point down. Unless green crosses right there, which it does. Take a buy. Man, I keep forgetting. Let's see. Romsinge, did I say that right? Says hello. Hello. I keep forgetting what I want to do when we get a cross when we're not in profit. I think I just follow orange. Yeah, we're just gonna follow orange. Okay, green is back on top though. However, our thick blue, or sorry, our blue is not agreeing anymore. But we'll keep it going. Okay. Come on. Yeah, it's a tricky situation. Okay. Heck, we're getting all right, we're definitely staying. Oh, nope. Hang on. Really? Okay. There are several times when our thin orange was pointing down, and that's when we need to exit this trade right there. Okay. But we're getting another buy right here. Oof. Okay, hold on. Our thin orange. Gotta keep an eye on that. Alright, so we're exiting here. And red is on top now, so now... Okay, that's the end of the trading session, so 2 wins, 4 losses. Minus 1320. Okay, so now we are a total of 11,730. After 5 trading days. Next day is 12/30 of 2022. Bada bing, bada boom. Ugh. Okay, looking for a sell here. Red is on top. Okay, blue is not agreeing just quite yet. There it is. Take a sell right there. Such an awkward place to sell. Eh, it's working though. Okay. Ah, darn. Okay, close that out. Go for more though. No reason why we couldn't. There we go. Close that out. And go for more. Okay, looking good. Okay, close that out. Okay, and our blue is no longer agreeing, so... well, it is now. Okay. It's telling us to get out right there. So our TNT line's flipped, so that is get out immediately. Wow, lots of upward movement. Red on top. Oh, really? Okay, probably, okay. got a sell opportunity now. Okay, getting out right here since orange is no longer green. Okay. Don't think we're, well, yeah, actually we are right here. We're hopping in. We're just gonna run. Okay, there we go. Close that out. Close above the body of the previous candle in profit. We will take it. 4 wins, 2 losses. Profit of 1,680. We now have a total of 13,710 after 6 days of the 100 we're going to be trading. Back testing, rather. It's going to take forever. 5/19 of 2020. If you're new to the stream, welcome. Obviously, we're a pretty small YouTube channel. We're working on growing it, so every little bit helps. Like and subscribe if you think this is interesting. You want to learn how to become a better day trader. Not saying I'm the best in the world, but we can all learn from each other, right? Alright, our blue is going the wrong way, so not quite looking at doing anything yet. Okay, now our orange isn't pointing the right way, but if we can get that pointing up, we'll take a buy. Or we'll take a sell if red gets on top here. But our orange, oh. Getting some buys. There we go. Green's on top. T and T's agree. Pow, pow, pow. Oh. I thought it was going to be better. Okay, our pressure's a little flaky, but T and T's are still looking good. Alright, close that out for a little bit of profit. What's the trading strategy? Great question. So it's pretty simple. Let me just close this one out real quick. So basically, our orange and blue lines, that's our T and T indicator. We are going to enter trade when our orange is up. Or, well, basically when these are pointing opposite directions, we're going to take a trade in the direction of the orange line. And as long as our pressure indicator, if the correct color is on top, then we take a trade. So if green's on top, we buy. If red's on top, we sell. And if our T and T indicators agree, then we take that trade. It gets a little more complicated when we decide when to end the trade, but I think I've developed some rules. Okay, so still saying it wants to keep going up, so we're gonna hop in again. Okay, and one of our rules to get out is when our thin orange line faces the other direction. So that's a sign to get out. However, right when that happens, red is on top now, and we can go for some to the sell side now. And we're just back testing. We don't even know if this strategy is any good. But it seems to be doing all right so far. Okay, close that out. Since we close our trade when we're in profit when we close above the body of the previous candle if we're selling, and then if it closes below the body of the previous candle if we're buying. It's saying it wants to go for some more downside though. Yeah, technically, yeah, but spreads, I'm not going to close that one. Wouldn't really make a difference. Okay, ooh, jeez. Okay, close this one out since it looks like our orange is going to be going against us here, so take a little bit of a loss here. What was that? Sell? Okay. I've been trading for, like, seriously, like day trading, probably a year. So not too awfully long. Oh, that's not what I wanted the Blues to do. Okay, I don't think we're going to be getting any opportunities. Okay, on to the next trading day. 2 wins, 2 losses. Minus 1630. I do have concerns. Minus, goodness. 1630. 1280. Okay, so results so far. So there's just one really big day, and that's the bulk of our profits. Otherwise, we're up like $400, almost $500. So that's a little concerning because, let's see, 1, 2, 3 winning days. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 losing days. So nothing to be too concerned about just quite yet. Have I heard of ICT? No, I have not. What is ICT? I don't know, maybe I have, but not off the top of my head, I guess. Next day is 6/7 of 22. Yeah, the more I'm testing out this strategy, the less I'm liking it. Just, I feel like we got lucky on that one day where we just made a butt ton. Oh, there's a sell there, actually. Don't want to miss that. Right here. Yeah, I feel pretty confident in our morning strategy. I just having a hard time figuring out a good evening strategies. It's mostly just because spreads are wider. Okay, close that one out. A little bit of profit there. Gosh, I kind of just want to go back to the drawing board. I'm not liking this one anymore. ICT, user trader that has been doing this for about 30 years. I've learned a lot from watching his videos. Just a trader helping another trade. Oh, nice. Yeah. I guess I'm kind of in a bit of a unique situation, though. So this charting platform, it's called Green Charts, and these indicators are proprietary. And I actually do contract work for Day Trade University, and this kind of belongs to them, I guess you could say. And so I'm kind of promoting it. Kind of am, kind of not, but yeah. I'm gonna be sticking to these indicators unless something just outlandishly crazy happens. You know what? I don't like that. Yeah, I feel like this day was just lucky. And without this day, we're only about $1,000 profit. And on a $100,000 account, that's only a 1% return for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 extra hours of trading. So it just isn't quite panning out how I want it to. Let's try one more day. I mean, we've only done 7 days, so 6/7 of 22. Okay, we're there. Okay. We're actually going to go for more. Yeah, and just kind of piggybacking off of that, there's more than one way to day trade, and I'm not saying my way is the best way for you, and there's lots of successful day traders. So, however I trade isn't the be all end all, and I'm by no means claiming that. Several ways to the top of the mountain. I should have closed this one out earlier. Right here, orange is up. Close that out. And we're getting a sell right here. Okay, orange is up again. Yeah, I'm not loving this. Just not getting the kind of consistency that I was hoping we could get. Oh, I am getting a buy though. Green's on top. Yeah. Boom, boom. Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, this just is not. Yeah, I gotta get back to the drawing board. I really want to figure out I feel like I need to a different pair maybe. Pound yen does not have large spreads in the evening. Gold, it's not crazy, but it is a lot more significant than I guess what you want to deal with when you're scalping. Yeah, and the reason why, and that's the only reason why we're looking at longer time frames, when normally I'm looking at a 5 minute and a 1 minute chart. So this is a 30 and a 2, which still is kind of weird. I mean, just to show you, I mean, this is our normal strategy on gold. Again, trading 10 lots, and we're just doing not the exact same strategy we've been doing, but pretty similar ideas at least. But gold, so after 100 trading days, we would have yielded almost $120,000 of profit. So I'm hoping to get similar results with a strategy in the evening time. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. Forget about gold. We are going to try out just the normal strategy that I trade in the mornings. We'll try that on the pound yen. Exact same rules as my normal strategy. I believe. Okay, change that. Pound yen. JVP, JVY. Adjust our lot size. I believe this to be 14 point. Want each point to equal $10 for 4.46. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, well let's just do that again. 5/12 of 23 is the first day. And again, we're just going to be using our standard 5 minute and 1 minute chart. Same rules as before, which means I need to add my thick blue TNT line. This is just going to take so long to trade because it's 5 hours as opposed to an hour and a half. Man. Oh, sorry, it's not 5. It should be 10 minutes. What am I thinking? Yeah, 10 minutes is better. Between 5 and 10. Is that what I want to do? That is just so much. That's going to take so long. Alright, well, we'll give it a go. See how it goes. See if we can find any trends on if there's any specific hours that tend to do better than other hours. But to start, let's see, I actually want to update that. Why is it at 15? I set it to go to 17. Why is this such an issue sometimes? There we go. Okay. Okay, so normal trading rules. Thin orange and thick blue I want to agree. Dotted blue I want to go the opposite direction. And yeah, that's my rules for entry. And then similar rules to what I've been doing so far as exiting trades. Okay, so right here is our sell entry. Okay, actually I'm getting a get stopped out right there. Oh, I remember why I wasn't doing this. Because there's just not a lot of movement. I think I started testing the yen, but I think we weren't able to leverage enough to really make it worth it. Just sell. Yeah, I mean, these look like big bars, but I mean, from here to here is only giving us $266. And then it's gonna be, I think my broker only allows me to trade up to 10 lots. Yeah, and that's why I wanted to stick with gold, because you can leverage but easier with gold. Ugh. Well, if you're watching this, sorry this has been such a disappointing stream. Basically just trying some things out, talking myself out of certain things, I guess. Yeah, I'll close that. Go for more. Yeah, I'm just not feeling it. Not feeling it. Yeah, and I just don't have a lot of experience. It's cool, man. Keep up the hard work. Gotta go. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, leave a like. Sure appreciate that. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I'm just not familiar with evening trading. It's just not hasn't been my thing yet. So I honestly don't know what hours are going to be have the most volume to work with. Oh, I think I got to talk to some of my fellow traders who like trading in the evening, because I'm lost, man. I'll be honest. I'll stick to my daytime trading for my live account. Whew. Alright, well, I think I'm going to call it there, folks. Thanks for watching. Sorry it's been such a disappointing stream. Basically just found out a whole bunch of what doesn't work, which is valuable. So,